What's up, guys? It's May 21st, 2024. Do a breakdown of the E-mini. I actually really like today's price action from leg counting. The market was really respecting leg counting. We are breaking out. This is crazy. I really thought we were going to sell today. I got a little confused midday, and then I got on the right side of things. I was good in the morning, got a little trapped, and then got good again. Breakout, channel, breakout, and now we're starting to approach highs. Looking like a pretty nasty. This looks good on the 45-minute chart. But if we're at the higher range, final flags fail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's breakout mode. So be ready for that. Like I don't know when it's gonna happen. So just understand that the 45-minute chart's in breakout mode. Higher time frame breakout. Bull bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 5 pushes. I just counted these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, let's talk about the leg counting on this chart real quick. Cause I was like a huge fan of the leg counting today. I'll do it with the pen because I'm gonna just talk about it and then talk about the buyers and sellers. So like leg counting, right? It's a leg, pull back, leg, pull back, leg, pull back. When I see that there are legs, I tend to just try and hang out for a little bit and see what happens. The market cycle is the breakout channel range. So excuse me, I got allergies, man. It is super like polleny out, so I'm trying to clear my throat a lot. I might mute my mic and take a sip of water or something in a second. Actually, I'll just do it before I start talking. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. So the leg counting, check it out. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, pull back. Leg 4. Or we can do a breakout, pull back. Leg 2, second leg chop in a range. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, pull back. Leg 4. Wedge bottom. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, right? Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Wedge top. Bull channel. So if you're counting legs today, it really pays to count legs. I'm gonna mute the mic for 2 more seconds and then go over the buyers and sellers. It'll be a quick one. I'm trying to keep the videos under 10 minutes. Okay, so bar 1, we have a gap down into yesterday's low. Bears are failing and the market reverses. Bar 2, looks like a double top here. Let's just get this out. Okay, where are we? Bar 1's high, 28 even. Bar 2's high, 28 even. We have a double top. Excuse me, now I got the hiccups. We have a double top. Bar 2's body is a bull body, so that's good. Bar 3 is breaking above the high by 3 ticks. It closes a couple ticks higher. Go sideways again. Bar 4 breaks the bar 3's low, so that's the second start of the second leg. Bar 5 is an inside bar. Bar 6 is an inside bar actually. I think there are more sellers above and buyers below. I don't think it's good to be long at this exact moment because this could become a bear flag and we could sell off. It's the first 6 bars anyway, so you can let the market give you some context. Lots of tails, lots of buy orders sitting here, and there's some double tops and fractal higher lows. Bar 7, breakout into the EMA. Okay, not a strong breakout. It doesn't close above the EMA. The EMA was, let's try and do that. I've never actually read the EMA. So the EMA was 30.29 and the close was 30 even. So this was 3 ticks higher, or 1 tick higher. It was just about 1 tick higher. So bar 7 closed 1 tick below the EMA. Not a good close, not a good breakout. Bar 9, range bar, still not closing above the EMA. Bar 10 looks like a second leg trap for the bulls. I got out of longs here, I think. I know I caught this leg and that leg, but think this was a good trap because bears who get short here, they never really get a break even unless maybe they short the high of this and get out here. You gotta be a really quick thinking bear to do that. Is this, ooh, do you guys like that? Is that easier to see the mouse? I'll leave that up for a couple of things because now we're reading. So the high of this is 31 even, 31 even. So this is a double top. So any bears try to short it, they get trapped. Bear stops are above here. The market travels, stops get filled. Bang, bang, bang. Here's 3 legs right here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Climactic. You see leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Market goes sideways into the EMA. This becomes a bull flag. Here we have the leg 1, pull back leg 2. Second entry. It's not the best second entry because it's coming at a better price. Usually high 2s at a worse price. And you can see it reverse shortly. So if you weren't quick enough, you'd get trapped and you'd have to hit out. Here's a few legs lower, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Great support. Pull back into the higher time frame EMA. The market's starting to go sideways. The EMAs are lining up. One thing this last couple of days has that sounded funny. One thing these last couple of days has taught me is that when the EMAs line up, it might be better to just wait to see what happens. See when the EMAs line up. The EMAs are trying. This is a good day. That's a gap. But look right here. The EMAs get pinchy and then super sideways price action. Same thing. Yet that was OPEX, but I don't care. Still a sideways price action when the EMAs are lining up. EMAs are lining up, sideways price action. Bar 48, breakout above the EMA. Bar 49, bad follow through, but with a climactic bar, we could see a pullback right away. And then bars 51, 50, and 51 breakout here. Bar 52, pause bar. So we have expansion, contraction, expansion, expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion. That's 3 pushes up. This is also a form of a wedge here. Bar 54, strong bar for the bears. That's enough to get, I think, a sell back into the EMA with it also being parabolic wedge top here. I'm just checking the time. I'll have to pop out soon. Macro channel into the EMA. Bulls buy back. Bulls that bought here, they can buy lower here. They can buy the EMA and get out here. So we can just run that exercise. See, so the first entry's here, the second entry is the EMA, and then they get out either at the 50% level or a point or two above, and they make a little bit of money. And then the market goes down for another leg here. Sideways, higher low. I think this is a good bar. I bought that bar. Actually took my best trade today. I filmed it. I was feeling dicey. I felt like I had good context on the day, and I slammed in. I filmed it though, so yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make the payout still because I may have broke the 30% rule. That's kind of good, kind of annoying, but yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut, keep trading, reduce my position size. And yeah, here we have 3 pushes up. Leg 1, pull back with 2, pull back with 3. Bulls fail to make a new high with bar 78. Oh. Bar 74's high is 47.50. Bar 78's high is 47.25. And this is fine. And I just wanted to point out, every time Bulls made a new high, we had a pullback. So if you were scalping, scalp out new highs, new low, pullback, new high, pullback, new high, small pullback, new high here. This previous bar's high 23 was 39.25. The high of 54 was 39.75. Wait. Okay, so oh wait, is this an outside bar? 54's high is 39.75. No, it's a double top. 55 is a double top and it sells far below 54's low. So bulls that have a stop there are getting stopped out. Maybe they buy maybe bulls that buy here buy more at 55's low and they get out at 56's break even. Same exercise we just did here, just different candle. And the market goes down for another leg. It's about 10 minutes. Really cool day for leg counting. Hope you guys are learning. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these videos. If you guys like the bar, I'm trying to do more bar by bar analysis, a little leg counting, mixing it up. buyers were on the EMA today. We went sideways for about an hour, and then every time the market got new highs, there were more sellers than buyers, and then we got to lows, more buyers. The price structure was more bullish as we were getting higher lows the whole day. Here we bears tried to fail. They failed to make a new low. Failed to make a new low. That was a double bottom. Yeah. Also wedge bottom. 1, 2, 3. Wedge bottom. Double bottom. Breakout. Higher low. Breakout. 3 legs here. Leg 1. Pull back leg 2. Pull back leg 3. Pretty cool day. That's about 11 minutes. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for the support and watching all the videos. I really do appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Bye.